Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you how you can install Pikashow on your PC or laptop. So as it's Android app, so it's officially not available for PC or laptop, but you can download it. So for that, you have to download and install an Android emulator like BlueStreak or Nox Player to run it on your PC. In order to download it, just go to the official website of BlueStreak or Nox Player. Download the installer file suitable for your operating systems. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, launch the emulator and sign in with your ID. Now you can download Pikashow APP file. For that, just open the web browser and search for Pikashow APP latest variant on a trusted website. Simply download the APK file to your PC. Then install Pikashow on emulator. Open the emulator like BlueStreak or Nox Player that you have installed. Locate the downloaded Pikashow APK file on your PC. Drag and drop the APK file into the emulator window or use the install APK option in the emulator's interface. Wait for the installation to complete. For the once installed, find the Pikashow app in the emulator's home screen or app drawer. Then click on the app icon to launch Pikashow. Start browsing and streaming your favorite content. Thank you for watching.